Marigitari matanyihiire ana hamwe na manathi atandatu ni marikitie kuhithurio na homa ya coronavirus, undu uria utumite kiama kia marigitari guku bururi-ini KMPDU kumenereria gwikururia kwa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hari gutigirira maabitha ugima wa mwiri ni magitiritwo kuigana.
So we want to appeal, as much as the government is doing these tests, we want to urge that the government moves with speed and provide the PPEs to each and every healthcare worker who is working in a health facility.
Hizi kinga tunazoitisha ambazo ni PPEs ni muhimu kuwa ziwe katika hospitali. Itakuwa vigumu kujiingiza mahali ambako najua hapa najiingiza kichinjioni niende nikafe. Haiwezekani, ni ngumu.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kiama giki, Ndagitari Samuel Oroko, guthimwo kwa maabitha ugima wa mwiri kuria gukoretwo gukiranirwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukoretwo gwikiroto nginya ihinda-ini riri.
Healthcare workers to date, they do not know where they need to present themselves for testing for COVID-19. So also we need to be very careful on statements which we make to the public. Let's follow it with action.
Oho kiama giki gikionania kwaga kuiganira na uria mihango ya wandikani wa maabitha ugima wa mwiri ikoretwo igitwarithio ni kamiti ya uruti wira wa muingi o undu umwe na thirikari cia kaunti.
We have seen specialists in the advert which has gone out. Specialists are being put on a lower job group than their qualification. So let's not take advantage of the COVID-19 situation and try to lie to the public that we are employing doctors, but we are doing injustice to their welfare at the same time.
Tumesema kwamba tuna madaktari 1000 ambao ni muhimu wote waajiriwe. Nambari ambazo zimetoka kwa sasa hivi katika kujaribu kuajiri madaktari ni chache mno. Tayari nimekuambia kama hospitali ya Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital inahitaji madaktari karibu 300 waweze kushughulikia wagonjwa. Kuna counties tofauti.
Kiama giki riu nigiikitie ritana kuri thirikari ikiendegia na mubango mukinyaniru wa gutigirira ati ugima wa mwiri wa muingi ni uthaitiirwo na njira iria yagiriire hindi ciothe handu ha gutengeraga riria gwatuka.
I am not a prophet of doom, but I'm just saying after COVID-19 you never know when we shall have another COVID related disease or a pandemic. So we need to be prepared all the time.
Kuringana na kiama giki, amwe ya atongoria kuma guku bururi-ini makoretwo magikungio teti hari utabariri wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi, undu uria maugite ati ukoretwo gicungiriria guthie thi gwa ikiro cia motungata.
Maliza Pasaka.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.